Hello my internet friends, my name is Livy and I am back to clean my room on camera because I've discovered that I have no motivation. But if I'm doing it for a video, that gives me all the motivation I need. As you can see, my room's a little wrecked. I do have a pretty small bedroom, so it can get a little messy in here, but I also have a lot of stuff. I downsized from a 3-floor, 5-bedroom townhouse to a technically 3-bedroom apartment. However, one of the bedrooms isn't a bedroom. It's like a room you have to walk through to get to the other bedroom. So we just use that as an office, and then my roommate's room is off of that room. So it's more like a 2-bedroom apartment. And in doing so, I've probably gotten rid of about 75% of my possessions that aren't things that need to be sorted through. And I will say that I only have one window, so the lighting in here isn't awesome. That's why I have a ring light. You might hear my fan. The fan is to drown out the sounds that my neighbors make upstairs. So if you hear some sudden thumping or crashing, it's my neighbors, because they are the loudest people on the planet. So typically, when I'm going to clean my room, I start with my bed because I don't have a lot of surface, except for my bed. I do have 3 dressers, but they all have some use on the top of them, so most of the time if I need to sort anything, I throw stuff on my bed. Let's get started. Okay, well, unfortunately, I'm going to have to move this beast. You are so cute, but you have to get off my bed. Come on. Just for a minute. No. Oh, no. Okay. Well, you're gonna move when I start making the bed. So, this is my toiletry bag. That goes in my bag that goes to work. Where is that bag? It's over here. One thing cleaned. I also work full-time, so I kind of, I don't mean to, but sometimes things just pile up when you are too tired to take care of them. Also, if you can see my closet, which you really can't, I have an ongoing project with the closet. I bought some string lights to wrap around the mirror, so when I take pictures I have lighting, because I only have one window, and it faces an alley. So as it looks kind of bright, in all reality, it is not. I came to the realization that it's kind of cold in here, so I put on a hoodie. And then I realized the hoodie didn't match the leggings I had on. So I changed my leggings to match my hoodie. And they also match my Ava shirt. They don't match my undershirt though. I need to do laundry. But that's why we're gonna do this cleaning. Now I could keep talking about cleaning instead of doing it, but that's not the point of cleaning. I said I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. Fine, whatever. That's what I thought. I genuinely don't usually have this messy of a room. It's just been a rough couple weeks. I got sick, and I got over being sick, and I got my period, and then I got sick again. So I just haven't had a whole lot of motivation to do things. Put that there for now. Alright. So unfortunately, because of the orientation of the light in this room, my bed is in a corner. Which means making it is a little bit more difficult than if it was not in a corner. This is my water bottle from Brita. Always stay hydrated. This is hot because it's been on top of my heater all night. In this corner is a bunch of laundry. It's all clean. I just haven't put it away yet. Why do I have a cat litter genie in here? Because I had to shut my cat in a room for a whole day because my friend's apartment was being sprayed for bugs that don't exist because her neighbor thinks a cricket is a cockroach. This is a basket of bed sheets. I'm not gonna fold these in here. I don't have enough room to fold my bed sheets in here. I have to fold them in the kitchen. Ah, what is that? Oh, it's a piece of carpet. Thought it was a bug. Which would really surprise me, especially because I don't ever see bugs in my house. We do have a nice spider that lives in the bathroom. Besides him, I don't see many bugs. I named him Philip. This is a lot more work than I think it's gonna be every single time. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I have all my stuff on my bed. I'm gonna take care of that. First I'm gonna vacuum the floor because it needs to be vacuumed. Then I'm gonna move on to my big old pile of laundry. And then after I do that, I'm gonna dust. And I have a measuring tape. I just have this like constant plague no matter where I live that like weird little things end up on my floor. It's probably mostly my fault. And I don't know about you, but does anybody get new clothes and then takes the tags off of them and then throws them on the floor instead of in the garbage? Back here is where I hide my vacuum. I generally do this like every 2 days, but after like 3 weeks of being sick, it wasn't happening. Okay, so now the floor is clean. Also, this apartment is the dustiest apartment I've ever lived in. I don't know why this apartment is so dusty, but it's unbelievably dusty. Constantly. I have an air filter, I have all sorts of stuff. It's really dusty, and we clean pretty much daily, but it is a very dusty apartment. So I'm gonna go get a duster, and I'll be right back.